and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2010 Mathematics Past Question 16. So for x and y, if x minus y is equal to 2 and x squared minus y squared equals to 8, a 1, 3, that's x is 1, y is 3, b 3, 1, that's x is 3, y is 1, c minus 1, 3, meaning x is minus 1, y is 3, and d minus 3, 1, meaning x is minus 3 and y is 1. Now these are two equations given to us, and we can solve this simultaneously. So the first one says x minus y is equals to 2. So from here we can establish that x is equals to 2 plus y. Let's call this one equation 1 and call this equation 2. Now we also have that x squared minus y squared is equals to 8. Let's call it equation 3. Now let's substitute 2 plus y for x in equation 3, so that wherever we see x we put 2 plus y. So now we have x squared minus y squared, meaning 2 plus y, everything square, minus y squared is equal to 8. Now opening this bracket, we'll have that 2 plus y multiplied by 2 plus y minus y squared equal to 8. Now from there we have that 2 multiplied by 2 will give us 4, 2 multiplied by y will give us plus 2y, y multiplied by 2 will give us plus 2y, and y multiplied by y will give us y squared minus y squared equals to 8. Now y squared minus y squared will give us 0, so we have 4 plus 4y equals to 8. Then we have 4y is equals to 8 minus 4, which is equals to 4, meaning that y is equals to 4 all over 4, which is equals to 1. So y is 1. Now from this we can get x from equation 2, because x is equals to 2 plus y, which is equals to 2 plus 1, and which is equals to 3. So x is equals to 3. That is x comma y is equals to 3 comma 1, and that is option B. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.